guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new, please do subscribe to my channel if you would like to watch me more, and also hit the notification bell so that you're always notified. So let me talk about the video. So in today's video we are going to talk about two different products. One is a shampoo and another is a conditioner. So I think if you're following me for a long time, you guys know by now I have been trying to kind of move towards more natural shampoos that has no paraben, no SLS, toxin free, because my hair has kind of been reacting towards it. Anyway, they are not good for your skin, body, your entire health. So I came across this brand, the Mom's Co. You guys must have seen other two videos that I have done. I have been using their serum, their eye cream every day. So I thought, why not to try their shampoos as well. So these are the two products. So this one is the Mom's Co. shampoo. So it's the natural damage repair shampoo. It has Ka+ hair system, that is keratin, moringa oil, Moroccan argan oil, gently cleanse and nourishes dry and damaged hair. And the next one is the conditioner. So this is the same conditioner. This is the natural damage repair conditioner. Keratin Pro Vitamin B5 Moroccan argan oil. Again, it repairs and nourishes damaged and dry hair. In here they have mentioned in 3 different logos, as you can see. So the first logo says that Australian certified toxic free, nature in toxin out, and Australian allergy certified. So here it is mentioned that what they have actually put in this shampoo. So it says keratin protects the hair shaft, improving hair strength and reducing breakage. It repairs damage caused by heat, chemicals and environmental factors. Moroccan argan oil, known to nourish dry hair and restore softness and shine. Coconut based cleansers that gently clean. Moringa oil, known to nourish hair, improve hair strength and prevent split ends. Also they have mentioned what they keep out of this. So they keep out all toxins such as mineral oil, parabens, sulfate, SLS, SLES and more. Also the same is for this one, only they have mentioned that they have shea butter, muru seed butters that moisturizes and replenishes lost oil, leaving hair soft and shiny. They have pro vitamin B5 to nourish the hair. And also the conditioner is also free from all toxins such as mineral oil, parabens, SLS, SLES and sulfate and more. So in here they have also mentioned the ingredients in details. I have talked to you guys about this thing that I have a problem with brands when they say key ingredients. As a consumer, I want to know everything that I have used in this product because I am concerned about my health, my skin, my hair, whatever it is. So it is very good that they have managed to put everything in here. I'm really sorry you can't see because of the daylight, but you can see these writings. They have mentioned everything. There are a lot of brands who say that we don't have enough space to do it. They also have the same size bottle, but they have managed to give you all the information. This shows how concerned a brand is. So I'm really happy that they have done that. First, let's talk about the shampoo and my experience with the shampoo. So it says, take 2 to 3 pumps of shampoo in your hand, mix it with a little water and apply on wet hair. Rinse, repeat if you like a richer lathering experience. Follow it up with our natural damage repair conditioner. So yeah, this is the packaging, a very standard good packaging. It comes with a pump. This is completely over, guys, like no sound. This is completely over. And I can still, I think, show you how the consistency is. Yes, there's a little bit of it left. I can show you how the consistency is. This is the consistency of the shampoo. So this is the consistency of the shampoo. It's very runny and it's not like normal thick shampoos. It's a very runny formula, you know. So again, they say that you should use 2 to 3 pumps. That is true. Like the pump dispenses a very appropriate amount of shampoo. I want to say it does not spills out all of the product, so you can control the usage of it. Also, this is very light in formula. It does not lather up completely because they haven't used those chemicals, you know, that kind of forms the foamy texture on your hair. But do not think that ये बालों को clean नहीं करेगा, अरे मेरे oils रह गए बालों में. It's not like that. What this does is it does not strip off excess oil from your hair. So this cleanses your hair very beautifully, leaves your hair with a very good shine and softness, which I like. So now for the conditioner. So the conditioner is kind of very thick in consistency, as you can see. It's a very creamy conditioner, almost like a texture of a hair mask, which I really like. So yeah, it makes the hair really soft and manageable, and I think these two are really perfect combinations for each other. They complement each other really nicely. So again, Pro Vitamin B5 is really good for bringing back the strength in your hair, and I leave it for 5 minutes almost the days I have time, because I really like the effect that it gives. Also, I do not so I haven't seen any split ends as of now. My hair fall, I have horrible hair fall, guys, but I think my hair has been more strong. Anyway, we lose 100 strands, 60 to 100 strands every day. So if you're not counting that, then I think my hair fall has definitely reduced after I've started using this combination mainly. Try to use organic products as much as you can. Not only the shampoos, the skincare, you should also use organic natural products as much as you can. So this is a brand that is all natural. They say that love without compromise, which is really sweet. So yeah, coming to the yes or trash part, I am never going to trash these. These are really good products. I really enjoyed using them, and I'm looking forward to buying them again. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you guys found this video informative and you got all the informations that you might have wanted about these products. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.